Beautiful sound of a Lamborghini. That's dangerously close. I came and they already working on some shirts.
Hey, what's up?
This Felipe? Met him, Brady?
Yes, many times. I know.
What? I think he's gonna do it right now. Oh, wait. Before you do it, we're doing that on the back now.
I got you.
And we do the small emblem like on the chest.
I got you. That's what they just finished asking.
That's what you're saying?
That's what I was thinking. I didn't remember if you had told me that was going on the front, but I thought it also looked cool in the back.
Yeah.
With the small.
That's what they're just telling me right now. Well, my girlfriend's telling me. It'll be
big ass logo.
cooler on the back than in the front.
Y'all fucked up thousands of shirts. And when I say fucking thousands, I mean thousands. Damn, fuck. A lot faster than vinyl.
Fuck yeah. Dude, fucking vinyl sucks, bro. Especially when we gotta do Herbalife stickers and shit.
Ah, that's crucial, bro. I hate that shit. I fucking despise vinyl. Your dad didn't understand when I was like, Mikey, you wanna come? Hell no, B. Thank you though. Love you, but no.
Yeah, vinyl sucks, dude.
I mean, it serves its purpose for quick little, you know what I'm saying, little decals and shit like
Yeah.
that. It works good.
Decals.
It does what it's supposed to, but when it comes to like for shirts, mass quantities, it'll be there all day, bro. Well, they have that new one now. They have a new plotter. Se quita. Right when it's coming out, it peels off the access for you. It weeds it automatically.
Okay.
So it's a whole different beast now. Like somebody finally said, man,
Figure it
fuck
out.
sitting there with this shit,
With the
dog.
tweezers
Yeah.
and take it out, everything.
Man, that shit's ridiculous.
I'm excited. I'm excited. Yeah, you didn't know that? That's how they're made? I know, last time I came, I was like, damn, you do this shit in your house? Yeah, all these are different ones. We had a cool one we had. Like that one back there. Which one?
Yeah, that shit is like cancer though, man. When you touch it, it spreads and it ain't no stopping it. That's another thing too. Watch out. I fucked up many car seats and everything else, like touching this shit and just.
What do you mean it spreads?
Like you know, had a nestiness of touching it, you know, touch the texture, and then you leave it. Like it never dries, like I said. So if it's wet paint right here and someone leans here, it's just gonna get here, and then they try to it's here, and it just keeps on like everything you touch. You're like, nah. That's a wrap, dog. Like
A few moments later.
Did you really get someone?
Yeah. Hey, I got you.
Doesn't really break.
Yeah, that's not good. Because I'm telling you, man. Another thing, that's one thing I've done a whole order of shirts like this, been all happy, and then throwing it like this to carry it out, and always just and like every shirt has paint on blah 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 blah. Or me carrying this shit and like for somehow I'll just be walking through here and one of these fall and they just like.
I'll be mad.
Yeah, I've done some stupid shit. Like I said, when I say I messed up some shirts, I had messed up some fucking shirts. Hey, you gonna try it on real quick? See where everything sits.
Fucking lit. Fuck, bro, this shit's badass, bro. I really appreciate it, Mikey. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on.
Oh, yeah, bro.
And oh, I see what you're saying. Fucking lit.
How you doing? Doing great today. Got a new shirt. It says celery. Yeah, hit my boy up for some JayBee. Boy JayBee on YouTube. Hit them up for this celery shirt, bro. They got celery on the back too. No? Let me flex on y'all real quick.
That was supposed to be mine, but it didn't fit me.
Because it's not a small, it's a medium. Don't listen to her. Celery. Hit him up, JayBee Sanchez. What is it, JayBee Sanchez or just JayBee? It's just JayBee, my bad.
What is up, YouTube? It is your boy JayBee back at it again with another video. This is gonna be another little vlog. I'm heading to my boy's Denis house. I was gonna wash my car, but he told me, hey, come through. I'm washing my cars too. So, fuck it, we're heading that way now. I need to pump gas. I got a damn air leak on my damn tire and it's annoying. So we're heading that way right now. Gonna pump some gas, fill this tire up, and head to Denis' house. $40 fucking dollars. That's what. Alright, man. So we just filled up. It's hot as fuck. Seriously, fuck. I gotta still pump gas. I mean, pump the air. It's hot as hell. Oh, how am I putting this on? What is it? It's not that. It's 95, but it feels like it's fucking 110. Honestly. Is it that in reverse? Hola, hola.
Hey.
How you doing?
Beleza?
Yep, good, good. Good.
Woohoo! We washed the Lambo and the Ferrari already.
Already?
Yeah.
All right. I need to wash my baby too.
Uh-huh.
What are y'all doing today? Nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing today?
Just chilling and that's all. What do you want to do?
I'm just gonna wash my car. Oh no.
Pool?
Pool what?
Us? Later?
Yeah? What? Do what? You said pool?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have shorts. I didn't bring any shorts.
I
You
have a
shorts
big
I can
one
borrow?
over there.
All right, yeah, I'm down.
Clean. It's clean.
Yeah.
I like the color.
Yeah, I know they're cool. They're on sale. They're not my size though. They're a size smaller. I'm a 9.5. I got 8.
Really?
Yeah. I'm a 12.
Bro, that's so like.
I know. That's just like me like
feeling
this.
like this.
Yeah, that's how I feel.
Shit.
I haven't bought no shoes in a while. It's so dope. Alright, man, so we're currently just putting these cars up right now. Mine's gonna be next over there. The beautiful sound of a Lamborghini. That's dangerously close. Alright, so now it's finally my Alright, so my camera just died, my other GoPro, so it's finally my turn to actually wash my car. They're trying to say they're feeling dizzy so they don't clean my car. Alright, man, so the car looking clean. Too clean. Appreciate that boy Denis out here putting that work. Woo. Denis' dad. Gracias, gracias. How do you say thank you in?
Obrigado.
Obrigado.
Obrigado. Nada. We say $20.
20. Wait. Oh. I was like, what? Oh, my baby looking sexy. I'm talking about you, Denis. You looking sexy. Man. Hey, you know I made these stickers at my house? I did them.
You did it?
Yeah, I did that.
Oh.
Yeah. I have a machine.
Really?
Yeah, I did at my house. It took me like 10 minutes.
You use Photoshop something?
No, I used Cut Studio. Called Cut Studio. Oh man. Now it's time to relax and jump in the pool. Okay. I did this all by myself and it came out better than that one over there that Dennis and his father did. Mine solo came out good. Better. Right, Dennis?
Yeah, man. That's why it's wrong. It's bad.
Alright, so we're gonna go pick up some food real quick. Dennis is gonna make us some hamburgers. So hopefully they're pretty dope. Fuck, that shit's fucking amazing.
79.
Bro. That shit picks up fast. I can't even fucking catch it. Fuck, that shit's fucking.
That's good, right? That's like,
Yeah. Watch out, that cup. Damn. That's fucking truly amazing. The power of fucking Porsche. I'm paying these. This is me. This is me. Okay, this is me.
fuck it, you pay my McDonald's.
Bro, that's different.
No, it's
that's
not
different.
It's not different.
What other chips do you want? Bro. What? Hey.
What?
They said IO chips to come because they're right in the cart. No, I'm kidding.
Oh, motherfucker. I was like,
Wait, what the hell? Can you fit this in the trunk? All in the trunk? So it's a daily. So it could be used as a daily driver. Oh, that's fucking badass. Brake go on top. Oh, it is gonna fit. It is gonna fit.
fuck yeah. I can go here. Look.
Cool.
We're gonna make a music video with the Ferrari going to downtown.
You're gonna make a music video?
Filming, yeah.
When? When?
One day.
Wait, us or?
Us.
Oh, I thought you said y'all like.
I mean, we can put some music, whatever.
Oh, okay,
make
okay.
a video, me coming with the Ferrari or the Lambo or something.
I'm down. I have my buddies that have a whole stabilizer for theirs.
Yeah?
A big stabilizer.
I have the drone.
Oh, you do have the drone. I haven't even seen it, bro. I see you, boy. There's nothing coming out, though.
A lot of pepper.
And we're out.